Hi, this is Qasid at instantmaths.co.uk. In this video, we're going to factorize this expression x squared minus 6 minus x. This is a quadratic expression because it's got x squared, and it's also called a trinomial because it's got three terms: an x squared term, an x term, and a number term. To factorize this quadratic trinomial, that means we're going to rewrite this expression as a pair of brackets which multiply out to make x squared minus 6 minus x. The first thing I would do is rewrite this expression with the x squared term first, then the x term, and then the number term. It's always best to write an expression in the highest powers of x first to the lowest powers. The first part is easy because we know that x multiplied by x is x squared. Now we need to figure out how to get this minus x minus 6. To do that, we need to find two numbers which multiply together to make this minus 6. Those two numbers also need to sum together to make the number of x's we have, or the coefficient of x. So we have minus x, which means we have minus 1x. So they need to sum together to make minus 1. So let's consider two numbers that multiply together to make 6. Let's say 2 times 3 equals 6. But we need to make negative 6, not positive 6. So one of these numbers need to be negative. Let's make 2 negative. So negative 2 times 3 equals negative 6. Okay, that works. Now let's see if they add together to make minus 1. Negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, that doesn't work because we need to make it equal to minus 1. How about if we switch the negative side around? So let's make, instead of making it negative 2 times 3, let's make it positive 2 times negative 3. So that still equals minus 6, so that works. And positive 2 plus minus 3, let's consider that. Remember, plus minus is the same as minus, so 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, that works. So now we have those numbers which multiply together to make minus 6 and sum together to make minus 1. We can use that. We take the 2 and we put it here, so we have plus 2, and the negative 3 we put here, and that's it. Now we have a pair of brackets which will multiply out to make our original expression, and we can test that. We've already expanded out the first part, x multiplied by x is x squared. Then we can do the rest. X multiplied by negative 3 is negative 3x. 2 multiplied by x is positive 2x. 2 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 6. Now let's collect like terms. We've only got one x squared term, so that's x squared. Negative 3x plus 2x is negative x. Minus 6 is minus 6. So that works. So our final answer is x plus 2x minus 3. And since these two are multiplied together, it doesn't matter which way around they are. An equally valid answer would be x minus 3x plus 2.